What's up, people of the internet? This is Manga Chapter High here with the new One Piece Chapter 747 chapter review. And well, this time we're starting out the manga with a bang with our prisoners from underground escaping out to the proper ground and taking over. Not technically taking over, but I guess I should say fighting back. I love how Fujitora like to mention that is the world government technically the same as God? That's something to think about right there. It's kind of, yeah, something to think about. The something we'll mention is that the people are going to have to decide who the better ruler, the Weekly family or the Don family. I still know how to pronounce that. Is it Don Koha? Don Koho? Wait, I don't know how to pronounce that. I really love the scene where that one guy who's a newbie coughs and everybody looks at him with this serious look like he just has to die. And Pika's like, he'll be buried alive. He's gonna have to die in my stone. He's like, and the guy's like, wait, he's just a newbie. He doesn't even know better. And the guy's just still coughing. Hilarious. It was hilarious. Well, I'm really sad now because I just learned that Doflamingo's mother died when he was 8 and his father died when he was 10. And now that escalated very quickly because now I feel even better than I did the last time. I don't even remember being sad about Doflamingo. I always thought that he was a crap face son. While Frankie was just about to do something that got the guy who, whatever his face, the guy that was fighting Frankie and Frankie destroyed him. They noticed something in the sky, some type of balloon. Nope, it's just Luffy lawns all popping down. I remember when they like kind of jumped Luffy and the guy. I don't know his name at all. I was gonna say his name. I just kind of forgot them. Forgot some of their names. But anyway, the guy with the high heel, he was about to kick the crap out of Luffy's face after the other guy smashed him. And Zoro just kicks him like, nope! I never actually saw Luffy actually just go out and insist that he's gonna use hockey. Hey, I'm gonna... He said, we can't just kill them. We're gonna have to do something about that. Luffy just says, I'll use my hockey. I never saw Luffy do that before. Of course, final page of the manga, Luffy dumps out laughs at Pika's high-pitched voice, even though his size shows that he should have like a super deep voice. But he has a high-pitched voice, and Luffy's laughing. And this is when the anime comes out, I would love to hear his voice. So anyway, I'll see you guys later.